Hello, welcome to this video. So this problem will be about the MC problem in paper 2. So about equation of straight line. So we have two straight lines. Of course we try to list out the important features of these two straight lines. So first of all the slopes, maybe L1 first. So L1, L2. So the slope. So slope first, so that will be -1/m. And then for the x-intercept, so that'll be just n, and then y-intercept, n/m. So similarly, so just using another constant here. So this is q, and then y-intercept, so there will be q/p. Okay. So and then for statement 1, so it's about m and p. So of course here, so that will be about the slope. So we can see that the slope, right? So you can see that slope of L1, so that will be -1/m, which is positive because you can see L1 will be increasing, so that's why you can see m will be less than 0. And then similarly for slope of L2, so that will be -1/p as stated above. Is also positive, so that's why p is less than 0. And then from the graph, so from the graph you can see that L1 is not as steep as L2, so that's why -1/m is less than -1/p. And then we can multiply both sides by pm. So that's why -p less than -m. And don't forget here, because p is negative, m is negative, so that's why pm is positive. So that's why we do not have to flip the inequality sign on both sides of the inequality. So and then p will be bigger than m, so that's why m is less than p. So that's why statement 1 is correct. And then for statement 2, so it's about n and q. So of course n is here, and then q is there. So and then it's quite obvious, so that's why statement 2 is also correct. And then statement 3, so statement 3, so that would be, wow, now you can see that this is also equals to m/m. So so you can see that the y-intercept of L1 is equals to n/m, and then equals to -1. So and then you can see that m equals -m, so that's why m plus m equals 0. And then y-intercept of L1, and then the y-intercept of L2, which is not shown in the diagram, but of course it will be above the x-axis, so that will be given by q/p. And then of course it will be bigger than -1, but since p is less than 0, that's why I have done so many stuffs before. So that's why q will be less than -p, because p is less than 0. So that's why p plus q will be less than 0, and 0 equals to m plus m. So that's why p plus q less than m plus m. And then that's why m plus m should be bigger than p plus q. So that's why statement 3 is incorrect. So take cross. So only statement 1 and 2 are true. So that's why just option A. And that's all for this problem. Thank you for watching.